Improve the sound quality of your voice now. And here's how to do it using Premiere Pro.
Hey, it's Marc-Albert. How you doing today? Woo! Wait, if you need to make content about photography, filmmaking, and much more, my hope is by each video that you are inspired to create. So please stick around and find out. You never know, you might learn something. Let's go!
Alright, first go to the effect panel, search EQ. Go down, look for parametric equalizer. Once you find it, take it, drag it on top of your audio. Once you do that, it should pop up in the effect control. Go to the effect control, find it, click on edit. Once you do that, there's gonna be a screen that's gonna pop up on your screen, a little pop-up screen. Once you find that, click on the default. Go all the way down and find vocal enhancer and click on it. Then go back to the effect panel, type in comp and look for single band compressor. Take it, drag it on top of your footage. It should pop up on your effect panel again. Go find it, click edit. Once you do that, there's gonna be a little something that's gonna pop up, and then you're going to switch from the default to the voice thickener, and it should change some of the settings a little bit. All you need to do, which is the only thing I'm only going to stress about, go all the way down and find the output gain. Make sure you increase that to somewhere around 17. So after applying all these effects, there's probably going to be some extra unwanted noise that's going to pop up. So let's get rid of them. And at last, you already know what I'm going to say. Go back to the effect panel, search denoise.
Oh no, bitch! Say it right.
Denoise.
Correctly.
Denoise?
Right.
Denoise. Denice.
That's better. Thank you.
Drag it on your audio, go to the effect control, search for it, click edit, and then switch, or should I say adjust, from 40% to 15%. And that is how you improve the sound quality of your voice. So I hope you learned something in this video today. Now, go fix your crappy voice. And I'll see you in the next one. Love y'all. Peace.